In this video, I am going to show you how people are making real money on Amazon using Canva, even if they have zero design skills, no prior experience, and no products of their own. This method is beginner-friendly, does not require expensive software, and can be done from anywhere with just a laptop and an internet connection. I'm going to break everything down step by step so you understand exactly how Amazon KDP works, how Canva fits into the process, and how you can realistically turn simple designs into a steady income stream. Amazon KDP stands for Kindle Direct Publishing, and it allows anyone to publish books directly on Amazon without dealing with printing, shipping, or inventory. Amazon handles all of that for you. Your job is simply to create the content, upload it, and market it correctly. One of the most popular categories on Amazon KDP is low-content and medium-content books. These include things like coloring books, activity books, planners, journals, puzzle books, and notebooks. This is where Canva becomes extremely powerful. To get started, the first thing you need is a Canva account. You can use a free account to begin, although Canva Pro gives you more flexibility and tools. Once you log into Canva, you'll be taken to the main dashboard, where you can create new designs. Before designing anything, it's important to understand what type of book you want to create. Successful sellers usually focus on a specific niche, rather than trying to appeal to everyone. Examples of profitable niches include kids' activity books, mindfulness journals, fitness planners, gratitude journals, and educational workbooks. Once you've chosen a niche, you need to decide the size of your book. Amazon KDP supports multiple trim sizes, but one of the most commonly used sizes is 8.5 by 11 inches, especially for coloring and activity books. Inside Canva, you can create a custom design using these dimensions, so your book is print ready. After setting up your canvas size, you should turn on margins to make sure none of your content gets cut off during printing. Now comes the design part, which is where many beginners think things get complicated. But Canva makes this incredibly simple. You can use Canva's built-in elements, shapes, text tools, and even AI-generated graphics to create pages. For example, if you're making a kids' activity book, you can use Canva's AI image generator to create simple black and white illustrations. These illustrations can then be edited inside Canva to turn them into coloring pages or dot-to-dot activities. For dot-to-dot pages, one effective technique is to place your illustration on the page, lower its opacity, lock it in place, and then manually left to right Glen. Canva allows you to copy and paste elements quickly, which makes this process much faster than people expect. You can also clean up lines using Canva's editing tools, so the final page looks professional and easy to follow. As you create more pages, you'll want to keep your layout consistent. This helps your book look polished and trustworthy to buyers. Canva allows you to duplicate pages, which saves a lot of time. You can simply replace the artwork while keeping the same structure. Once you have enough pages to form a complete book, you can download the interior as a print-ready PDF. This file will later be uploaded to Amazon KDP. The next step is creating a cover, which is extremely important because your cover is the first thing customers see. Amazon provides a cover calculator that tells you the exact dimensions you need based on your book's page count. After getting those dimensions, you can create a custom-sized design in Canva and upload the Amazon cover template. This template shows you where the front cover, back cover, spine, and barcode area are located. Inside Canva, you can design your cover using text, images, shapes, and pre-made templates. It's important to keep the title clear, readable, and relevant to your niche. Avoid clutter and focus on making the book look appealing to your target audience. For kids' books, bright colors and playful fonts work well. For planners and journals, a clean and minimal design usually performs better. Once your interior and cover are ready, it's time to move over to Amazon KDP. You'll create a free KDP account and start a new paperback project. Amazon will ask for your book title, subtitle, description, keywords, and categories. This information is extremely important because it helps Amazon understand who to show your book to. Take time to research keywords by looking at similar books already ranking on Amazon. After entering your book details, you'll upload your interior PDF and your cover file. Amazon will then run a preview check where you can flick through your book exactly as customers will see it. This step is critical because it allows you to catch formatting issues before publishing. Once everything looks good, you'll set your pricing. Many beginners start with a competitive price to gain visibility and reviews. When you click Publish, Amazon will review your book, and within a short time, it will be live on the platform. From there, your book can start generating sales.